Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Smiledrive portable Bluetooth mobile conference call speaker. Let's see what information we have in the box. Clearly not much. It seems like a pretty light box as well. Let's just open it up. We open it. We have some documents right here. A 1-year guarantee card from Smiledrive. You should not lose this as well. You might need it later. This here is the speaker. It's already on for some reason. And this is the micro USB charging cable. Let's see if it's, yeah, there. This is the micro USB charging cable for this device. And this is what the speaker looks like. It's very sleek actually. This comes with omnidirectional mic, so which means that it can be at the center of the conference room on a table, and people can speak from any direction and it'll work just fine. A lot of media control right on top. There's a Bluetooth connectivity button, a power button. You can switch tracks over here, and you can control volume from here. And this button over here is the one that you use to cancel or mute your mic. And I'm assuming this is the one that you click to receive your calls. What else do we have here? Over here there is a micro USB charging port. There's some rubber stops here which makes it stable. A couple of things I should mention about this product, like this particular device comes with 10 hours of battery life and is powered by a 1500 mAh rechargeable battery. I already mentioned the omnidirectional mics. Like I said, it's designed to be placed in the middle of a room so that everyone can talk from every direction. And there's also noise cancellation that comes with this particular mic. And that's it. That's all you will find inside the box containing the Smiledrive portable Bluetooth mobile conference call speaker. Thank you for watching.